Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to import the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I'll describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you have your chart of accounts file saved in IIF format since QuickBooks Desktop imports that easily. And first, you will have to open your. And by the way, you can also follow these steps, or you can listen to the steps that I will be explaining. So yeah, listen carefully. So yeah, first you will have to open your QuickBooks Desktop. If you don't have one yet, then make sure to download it first before proceeding to the next steps. And then after you've downloaded it and after you already have your account logged in, you must make sure that you've logged in as admin user, and then you will go to file feature and then click utilities, then import, and then IIF files. Select your saved chart of accounts file and click open. A message will appear and then you will click OK to confirm the import. And once you're done, you will go to the list and then click chart of accounts to verify the imported accounts. If your data is in Excel, export it to IIF first using QuickBooks sample templates. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.